Okay, so let's start with video. We need to embed some video into our website. So first let's figure out a good place to do it. I'm going to go to my live website here. See where I want it. So here's my home page, and that's okay. Let's try media. Sounds like a good place. Okay, so here's some media projects I've done. What if down here I want to put a video for one of these pieces? So I actually have some videos for this graveyards track. So let me go find that. So first thing I'm going to do is go to YouTube and find that video. Okay, so now I'm signed into my YouTube account, and you don't even need to be signed into the YouTube account. You could actually just do this with any YouTube video that's public. So if you went to YouTube and just said, search for Britney Spears, and you wanted her video, one of her videos to show up on your website, you could do that. You can embed someone else's content into your website. If it's public content, you can totally do that. It's fine. So I'm going to go to this organ donor video.
I was born in a mortuary full of worry eyes, water in my veins, give my heart in the sky.
Okay, cool. So now I'm going to go down here, and for YouTube, we're going to hit the share link, and then we're going to see embed right there. Now for other services, it's going to be different, like for Vimeo or one of the other ones, it's going to be different, but you're always looking for a button that says embed. That's what you're always going to be looking for. So here we have this unique string of code. Before I copy that, I'm going to make some changes to it. So what size do I want it at? Let's do 640 by 360. Just, I don't know why I like that. Show suggested videos when the video finishes, if you want. I always like to do this use old embed code. I don't know how much longer they're going to leave that in there, but I was told that if you use the old embed code, it will hide advertisements. It will not let advertisements show on the video. So I'm going to select that. I don't know how true that is, but I think it's true. So now that I've selected that, I'm going to copy this code. I'm just going to click on it a bunch of times till it all turns blue, and then go to Edit and Copy. Now I'm going to go to my website. So here's this media page, and I'm going to go up to Edit since I'm logged in to my site. Okay, here's my WYSIWYG editor. Now where do I want to put it? I don't have anything right here, so let's just say videos. I'll make that bold. Okay, now I have to do one quick little step. I can't just paste this code in. It's not quite going to work. What I need to do is go up here to the upper right. I have the visual and text. We looked at this really quickly in a previous one. I need to go over to this text one, and it's going to be ugly. Like, you're going to see all this stuff. Here's a trick for finding your way around. Go back over to the visual and type something where you want the video to show up. Type something like totally random. So I'm going to type in video here, all in caps. Now I'm going to go to the text, and what I'm looking for is video here. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that and then paste in my embed code, because that's where I want it. I want it where that is. So I'm going to go to Edit, Paste, and now this huge block of stuff popped up. Don't even attempt to read it. It doesn't matter. Let's just, actually, now let's go over to the visual side again with this button. And now, look at that. There's our video. Now in this preview window in the WYSIWYG editor, we're just going to see a big gray box for the space that it's going to take up. Once I hit update and look at the page, we'll see the actual video. You're never going to see it there. So don't think that it's broken because you're not seeing it here. Let's go view the page. Okay, here we have that. I scroll down, videos, organ donor, and there it is, playing right on my site. Okay, looks great. I've got a volume control, I've got all kinds of good stuff right from YouTube. So, piece of cake, right? Now I'm noticing here that the edge here is pushing up against my social media menu a little bit. So the easiest way to remedy that is going to be go back to YouTube, which luckily I'm already here, and get a little bit different size for the video. Let's take that down. So once I change that, I'm going to copy this again and then go back to wherever we were. There we are. Edit this page again, and I'm just going to replace that whole embed code. I could just hit the delete key on that, do the same thing. Video here, go to the text side. There's my video here. Paste it in. Update. Now the video will be a little bit smaller and it won't push up against there. It'll look a little bit better. There we go. It still works. Great. And now I've got plenty of space over here, so I'm not causing some problems. So that's how we embed stuff. All you need to do is go find that embed code and bring it over. Now let's do, just to prove to you that you don't need to be logged in, I'm going to go to somewhere random. So let's say YouTube. What's popular on YouTube right now? Lip sync battle with Joseph Gordon-Levitt. Yeah, I've actually watched this video and it's pretty funny. So even though this is a Jimmy Fallon video, I can still go to the share and embed and I get all the same options, right? So I could take this code and put it into my website if I wanted to. So it was showing that video. So it doesn't need to be your video necessarily to embed it on your website. And you don't even need to log in. You just have to find the video and then post it on the site. Okay, so that's adding video. The trick is always put it somewhere else, put it on one of the video services that are designed to handle video, and then get the embed code, put that into your site, and then you're good to go. One very last thing is that these widget areas that we talked about are A-okay to embed video. So maybe I'll put a video in one of them just to prove it. So let's go back to my video here, and let's go to share and embed. Now the trick is that widget area is really small, right? So this is the smallest it's letting me do it. So let's go to custom size, and it's going to keep my dimensions the same here. So let's say 150, and that makes 84 the height. Man, that is small. Let's try 200. Let's see if that works. So let's copy that embed code. I'm going to go to my dashboard. I'll just go to edit page to get there quickly. Even though we're not going to put it on this page, we need to go to appearance and then widgets. And here's all my text widgets that I made. So let's say in upcoming shows. Let's maybe get rid of upcoming shows. Or not. Let's do this. Let's add a new one. So text. We'll add another text widget. We'll put it right at the top. And we'll call it featured video. And then I'm just going to paste that that embed code right in. You don't have to do anything else. And we hit save. So now we might have to screw around with the format of this a little bit. Let's go look at the live site. So there it is. You know, it fits there. We've got all this extra space here though. So let's try going 300. So I got the new embed code. It's going to paste right over that old one. Let's refresh this page. Oops, did I save it? There we go. All right. Now that's pretty good. That fills up that space pretty well. They can play it from there. They can see it. They can hear it. And if they want to see it bigger, they can always hit the full screen button right here. Or they can click on the title, and that'll take them right back to YouTube to watch it there. So I think that's actually pretty cool to have that featured video thing there. Because remember, that's on every page. If I go to my bio, featured video right there. It's always there. So that's kind of a nice touch. So I'm going to leave that there. I like it. Okay, so that's that. Let's move on. Let's talk about audio in the next video.